Hi guys, what's up? This is Roland and we're here back to our channel. Today's video, we're doing a new filter element replacement from Provent 200, and it's a new conversion kit and they call it Provent 204. So let's get it on. My element filter has been due and it's running 40K now and it's need to be replaced. And we're gonna replace it with this new conversion kit, the Provent 204. The indication and signs that your filter element that needs to be replaced is that oils are leaking outside your catch can. The leaking is due to the filter that blocking the pressure and goes straight to this pressure valve. Here's what it looks like for the filter element that has been running 40K and it's due for its replacement. And here's the new conversion kit. The instructions on how to install this new kit is at the back of the box. Here you can see the step-by-step instruction on how to install this new conversion kit. And it's time to open the box. And what we got here is the new top cover replacement. And the filter itself and some O-rings. What's the difference between this new conversion kit is that they transfer the pressure valve at the bottom of the filter. As you can see, inside of this bottom of the filter has a built-in pressure valve. And you got one O-ring replacement that comes as well in the box. So that's all the items we got in this new conversion kit. Now it's time to install it. First, take off the oil filter cap, and next is take out the filter element. And you can reuse the plastic bag that comes together with the conversion kit. Next is to install the new filter element. Let it snug and push it properly until it clicks. Next is to remove and replace the pressure valve on top of the lid. And here's the new replacement of the conversion kit. It's just only a blank cover that needs to be snag on and click on top of the lid. And lastly, install the O-ring. And that's how quick and easy it is to install the new conversion kit. So the main difference from the old to this new conversion kit is that they transfer the pressure valve at the bottom of the filter. That's everything and steps on how to install this new conversion kit. This is how much oil I got from my 2K run from my previous oil filter element. I'm excited to check how much oil we got. If you're interested and wanted to buy the new conversion kit, I put the link in the description below. Hope you find this video useful. And that's all the steps on how to install this new conversion kit. And as usual, please support us by hitting like and subscribe. Until then, catch you in the next one. Peace.